Hey, welcome back to Live Light, our channel that focuses on mindful living, natural and organic lifestyle, and eco-friendly adventure. Today, it's just me, folks, because Dane is hard at work building our new house. Yay! It's a van. I'm gonna live in a van. I know it's totally crazy, and if you haven't heard the details yet, don't miss out. You can click up in the corner for a link to that video. While Dane is busy building our new tiny house on wheels, I'm here to answer a few questions I've gotten about how and why I made the shift to a natural lifestyle. And it's kind of not a short answer, but don't worry, I'm not going to ramble on for days. Instead, I've decided to create this little mini series called High Maintenance Stampede, which will not only outline my road from being a total mainstream product hoarder to a natural and organic life devotee, but also it's going to be devoted to helping you make the switch from chemical-laden products to a more natural and sustainable lifestyle. I'll be sharing all the benefits and awesomeness of using natural products, and I'll be getting really real about some of the not-so-fun parts, too. But before we get to that, let me give you some backstory about pre-natural life me. Princess, La Reina, which means queen, fancy lady. These are just a few of my nicknames from days of yore. My purse was always heavy, like full of everything I might need. My bathroom cabinets were overflowing with products, 4 different shampoos, and all these body scrubs and washes and oils and masks and cleansers, and I mean, like, you name it, I had it, and they were all full of chemicals, all right? Super mainstream, and that's what my life looked like. I bet there's somebody in your life that fits that same description. It might even be you. You may be wondering how on earth I now find myself happily living in a tiny house, sharing exactly 1 room, 1 closet, and 1 bathroom cabinet with my husband, and using all natural products instead of my old synthetic standbys. Well, the long and short of it is this. I realized that my external environment, coupled with all the products and food I use and ingest on a daily basis, make a huge impact on the health and happiness of my life. It's that simple. The health ramifications of using chemical-laden products is really real. I've witnessed young and vibrant friends be stricken down from cancer, diseases like Alzheimer's that could be connected to using chemical products. And while there's no guarantee that using natural and organic products is going to prevent those diseases, it can only aid in my overall well-being, and that's good enough for me. The truth is, embarking on a shift to a natural and organic lifestyle requires a holistic approach. It requires a shift in everything from food and beauty and lifestyle choices and ethical choices to exercise commitments and health commitments and even career choices. And for me, because I was living such a mainstream and frankly toxic life before, making the shift to living natural required a commitment shift in practically every area of my life. And it didn't happen overnight. Actually, it happened really slowly. But it doesn't have to take that long, okay? You can totally definitely make the switch over the course of just a few months. And I'll be giving you some easy ways to start later on in this video. But to give you an idea of where I started, here's what my day-to-day life consisted of before I made the switch to natural, and maybe you can relate. Synthetic weight loss powders, full of chemicals. Blah. Frozen lean cuisines and other frozen diet meals, blah, totally full of chemicals. Fat-free snacks like Snackwells, totally fake food. Yuck. Mainstream beauty products like Dove, which I thought was good, but turns out it's not. Not at all. Purely physical workouts, you know, like I'd go to the gym a lot and I had a trainer, but I certainly wasn't meditating or doing anything mindful like that. And then overworking myself, usually 60 hours a week or more. Wait, not that that's actually changed. But hey, at least I love what I'm doing now. And, you know, closets and cabinets just full of crap. Just like crap everywhere. Just a bunch of crap I didn't need. And when I was living that life, I was really unhappy and definitely unhealthy. Even though I was going to the gym a lot, I was not holistically healthy. And it's been a long road since then, but if I could give anyone advice on where to start on the road to a more natural lifestyle, it would be with shifting your food and beauty habits. The path to wellness may be different for you, and I absolutely encourage you to follow your own instincts. But if you're curious about living a more natural lifestyle and you don't know where to start, I would recommend starting with simply being aware of what you're putting in and on your body. Because as they say, you are what you eat. And, you know, your skin is your largest organ. It absorbs everything. So it's super important to be aware of what you put on it. The whole reason I'm doing this whole YouTube channel thing is because I sincerely hope to help you on the path to green living by, you know, giving you reviews of my favorite natural and organic products, and also just talking about the experience of using natural products, because honestly, it's an experience. You know, natural products do work, but they work differently. Don't be scared by that statement. Different is not bad. Different is just not the same. Really, really good, just not the same. And I think that as humans, we're creatures of habit. I understand that change can be scary, but the why behind the change is what's really important. The why is your health, your well-being, the well-being and the health of your children or your future children, and the well-being of the planet that we all share. That's the why, and it's real. And when you get to the heart of this why, and you realize that these chemical-laden products that we're used to are irreparably damaging our health and the health of those we love, when that hits home, I mean, those old products, just as comfortable as they may be, they start to look really unappealing. It's like a veil gets lifted, and you see those products for what they really are. Toxic chemical nastiness, just blah, blah, just masquerading as something good for you, because that's what the advertisements want to make you believe. So don't be fooled. It's time we educated ourselves. It's time that we made better choices for our own health and the health of those we love. Now, I know there's a lot of confusion surrounding natural products, and there's a lot of greenwashing going on, and all these green beauty buzzwords, you know, floating around like vegan and natural and clean beauty, and it's kind of hard to make sense of it all. It's like, what's what, right? And I sincerely want to make that easier for you. So I'm going to be creating videos in the weeks and months to come that will help demystify all those buzzwords, and I'll be giving you a cheat sheet guide basically to deciphering all those confusing labels and ingredients lists. And with that, I will wrap up part 1 of High Maintenance to Hippie. If you liked this video, please hit thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss part 2, demystifying green beauty buzzwords. And please leave comments in the box below and let me know if you have any questions about green beauty buzzwords or what I talked about today or natural lifestyle in general. So until next time, my friends, be well and live light.